Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see from the video, I've got a home bargains haul for you today, so let's get straight on. So I'm going to show you like probably my most exciting item first, and it is a part of their summer range, and it is this gorgeous picnic blanket. So our picnic blanket is all ripped and it's all torn. It's from Costco, and to be honest with you, it must be, oh god knows how many years old. And I saw this one, I just thought this was such a classic design. I love the navy and the beige colours, and it feels really hard wearing. I actually did get this out in the shop, and it is actually huge. I wonder if it says the size of it on here somewhere actually. Oh yeah, so it's 170 by 170 centimetres, and it also has the waterproof backing as well, because we know what it's like in the UK. It's always like rained at some point. Even if it's like a nice day, the ground can still be damp. So yeah, going to be absolutely perfect for that. And also this was only £7 or £6.99, so I think that is an absolute bargain. They did also have it in grey and white, but I have two little girls, and I just know that anything white isn't going to stay white for long, so I went with this colour. But I do think it is super classy, and it's going to last for years to come. The next item that I have got is some pyjamas, and I have to admit I did wear these last night, and they're these gorgeous kind of silky, they're like a leopard print, but it's like a navy, lilac and yellow leopard print. It's very, very subtle, and I don't know about you, there is something about wearing like silky nice pyjamas that just makes you feel like you've got your life together. Do you know, if you're looking good whilst you're like sleeping / lounging, that you just feel like everything's okay. But anyway, it comes with a shirt, and it is a button down shirt. They feel really, really nice, perfect for summer, and they also come with little shorts as well. And they're not too, they are short, but they're not like too short. I mean, some shorts for pyjamas are literally like hot pants, which I don't like. I like something a little bit more covered, even at home. What I would say is, I would prefer if the sleeves had a turn up at the end. I just think it would make it look a little bit more feminine, but nevertheless they were only £10. They're from the Jeff Banks range, and they are really nice. You can probably tell that I went home bargains with my daughter, because we've picked up some Peppa Pig cheese puffs. So these are really cheesy lentil puffs, baked not fried, 5 bags for 99p. You know guys, this is my all-time favourite squash. If you struggle to drink, please try Kia, because this is absolutely gorgeous, and it's only £1 for a 1.5 litre bottle. Talking of squash, I also got some Vimto. I'm not sure how much this was, whether it was £1 or $1.99, probably more likely $1.99. Did go for the no added sugar version, try and be good for our teeth, but yeah, can't beat a bit of Vimto either. And I also picked up a green pesto. I believe these are 99p. I just love throwing this in some of that microwave pasta, just for a super duper quick and easy lunch, and it is something that I always forget to pick up when I go to Lidl, so I just get it from Home Bargains, because usually it's there on the shelf, and I prefer the green pesto over the red. I'm a classic kind of gal. Now my little nephew absolutely loves a cocoa melon. Oh, I feel like if you've got kids, you'll absolutely hate it. Because all the songs are just they're so terrible, aren't they? But yeah, kids absolutely love it. So I picked him up this little set. So it's like one of those puzzles where you just kind of like pop, in this case, the little people and teddies and toys into the right shape. And he is, wow, how old is he now? He's like 1 and 3 months. I thought this was quite a nice gift for that age, and like I say, it was only $1.99, and it did make me think of him, so I had to get it for him. I also picked up some of these Minky knockoffs. If they did have the Minky in, I would have got them. I do feel like the Minkies are actually better quality for the money, because you can wash them and they don't come apart. I feel like the cheaper versions like these ones do, so just bear that in mind if you do pick up cheaper ones. I ran out of these, and I couldn't believe it. I think I went through a stage when I was like watching Mrs. Hinch, where I just had so many of them that I didn't think I'd ever run out. And then I went to go in the cupboard the other day, and clearly they'd all fallen a bit and had like all fallen to bits, and they'd had to been thrown away. And yeah, I didn't have any for the bathroom, so yeah, I went in, picked those up. I think they were about $1.99. And another little treat for my daughter, because I just can't help it. I think it's because I'm sort of like reliving my childhood as well. And yeah, this was only 79p, and I know some people are like really against Barbie. I used to absolutely love Barbies when I was younger, and I do think it is actually good for like that imaginative play. She doesn't actually have any of the dolls yet, but yeah, she really likes the idea of like colouring in the dresses and the hair, and it does also have stickers, which yeah, she just absolutely loves. I picked up some of this keratin heat spray. This is something that I normally run out of, and I always hate it when I do because I just want to keep my hair protected as much as I can, particularly because it's so long. The ends can get a little bit dry if I don't use heat protectant. So this is this Schwarzkopf one. I think that's how you say it. It's a bit of a tongue twister, isn't it? And it goes up to 230 degrees heat. So it does say that it's 3 days style control, and it's humidity and frizz like resistant and stuff. I, to be honest, can't tell the difference between different like heat products. I'll just get any that's in the shop as long as it goes above, I think it's 220 that GHDs are. So yeah, I'll just make sure that it has like a good heat protection on it. But apart from that, I feel like they're pretty much all the same. Let me know if there is something different with them though. I needed to pick up some more shampoo and conditioner, so I actually went for this Nature Box one, which I think has actually leaked because it's a little bit wet, and this seems to have some of the conditioner on as well. So it's a coconut one. To be honest, I was totally drawn in by the packaging, and I did go for this one because it did say it helps to tame frizz, which my natural hair is very, very frizzy. You guys will know if you saw my Primark video, I have very, very curly hair naturally. So hopefully that will do it some good. Again though, I feel like my hair's just got like a mind of its own. It's very, very difficult to style. And I do tend to have to use heat if I want to get rid of the frizz. And then I am a little bit of a fan of these cheap Alberto Balm shampoos and conditioners, but I've got a conditioner and I got the coconut one this time. I just feel like coconut is the scent for this time of year. I just absolutely love it in the summer. So yeah, oh, it is also silicone free as well. If you are doing like the curly girl method, this actually might be a good one for you, and it is super cheap. I think these are like 99p, and I think this was as well. My Home Bargains was a little bit sparse on the old conditioner and shampoo front, so I couldn't actually get two matching, but yeah, I thought these would do together. Did also get some mini cheddars. Again, like I said, we shop at Lidl, and I just feel like the crisp selection at Lidl is just like, it's like a 2 out of 10. I don't particularly like their own brand crisp. Like, they've got some really good own brand chocolate, but the crisp I just don't feel like hit the spot for me. So I always tend to pick up the branded ones when I go to like Home Bargains or wherever, and we are all a fan of mini cheddars. They just, oh, do you know when you just feel like something savoury? I feel like mini cheddars really do it for me. So yeah, I think again these are like 99p for 6 bags. So the next item that I picked up was these Iconic Flowers non-bio liquid capsules. So I've actually gone for the non-bio because this is for the baby as well. She didn't have any of the fairy in that I normally get for her, but I thought these would be okay with being non-bio. I don't think she's got particularly sensitive skin, but obviously she's still young. But it does say it's oh my gosh, how do you say that? You know what I mean, it's that tested. I also picked some of this Fast and Fruity nail polish remover. This is super duper cheap, and it is like the best nail varnish remover going. I really, really like it. I think I've pretty much used this since I was doing my A-levels, I think is when I first found it. And yeah, it's got a peach fragrance, and it actually does smell really nice. So I'd really recommend this. It gets rid of really stubborn nail varnish. I also picked up one of these One in a Melon watermelon extract lip balm. Again, this is for my daughter. I feel like I bought a way more than I thought I did in this shop, because we actually went in and it's her birthday soon as well, and I was just, oh, she was pointing at everything like, I want this, I want this, I want this. I was like, yeah, you can show you what you want for your birthday, which was like basically all of the toys on the back wall. I don't know about your Home Bargains, but ours literally have a toy wall at the back, which I don't know if it's a good or a bad thing, because it does mean you can get your kids down the aisles because there's always toys at the end, but then you can never get them to go up the next aisle because of the toys. So it's like a win-lose situation. But yeah, I've got this little lip balm as well, which is super cute. Again, I think that was 99p. Always pick up some like spices in there. These are 69p. I don't actually tend to use the bag, I just tend to throw it on the chicken. This is sweet and spicy Mexican. I've not tried this before, but I just really like the idea of it being sweet and spicy. So yeah, I'm gonna give that a go and see how that turns out. I also ran out of bronzer. I normally actually just get the Poundland one, and before that I just used to get like the £1 MUA one, and they have done me amazingly. I feel like they are actually the same bronzer, they're just in different packaging. However, I saw this Olivia Hale one, and because it was in Home Bargains, I thought I'd just give it a go. So they did have a medium and a dark one. I've gone for the medium because I am very, very fair naturally. I am a redhead. I do fake tan. I have got fake tan on today. Like, this is me with colour. Without fake tan, I am very, very fair, like almost translucent fair. But yeah, I do love a little bit of bronzer. I love to contour, especially the forehead, like the cheeks and stuff, and I tend to do that with bronzer. And yeah, again, I mean, it's the time of year, isn't it? So yeah, I'm going to see how I get on with this. Also picked up some toothpaste for my daughter because she just finds the adult one far too hot. It like burns her mouth, so she says. But I think it does. I remember being little and like toothpaste being so freaking hot. So yeah, she doesn't like that. So I've just got some of the little kids, little teeth, gentle mint one from Aquafresh, because you guys know I always have Aquafresh, and yeah, it seems to work for the whole family. In fact, this is what is leaking. Oh, that's really annoying. I got this Service It washing machine cleaner from Dr. Bettman, and yeah, our washing machine is so annoying. Like, every time we wash the whites, there's always like something like, it looks like mud, it's like brown on them, and it's so annoying because they have to wash them again. I mean, with the energy prices going up, I don't want to be washing things twice. So I got this washing machine cleaner, and I imagine you just kind of do it all in one go, kind of help clean the washing machine. But yeah, oh yeah, it does say one treatment. Never used anything like this before, so I don't know if it's going to be any good. Hopefully it is, so that I don't have to keep washing the same clothes twice. But yeah, it has all spilled out, which isn't great, but it's only a little bit, so hopefully we'll be okay. But it does smell. It smells, not smell horrible, but it smells really like clean, and I need to go and wash my hands. I also picked up a bag of grated cheese, which was only like £2.29. I thought that was like super good value for the price. And we also picked up some peanut M&Ms, both of which don't last 5 minutes in this house. But yeah, I actually really like the food section in Home Bargains. It's so good for me because I always forget something when I do the big food shop. So that was it for this video. I do really hope you enjoyed it. So I feel like I got a little bit of a mixture this time. A few summery bits, a few kind of little treats for myself, because we all need it sometimes, I feel. And yeah, just a few basic bits as well. So I do hope you enjoyed it. Do give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.